Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the 12 volt powered cup holder on our line of powered RV furniture. It's surprisingly easy to do and doesn't take very long. Should only take about 10, maybe 15 minutes. The tools that you will need include a Phillips head screwdriver or a screw gun with a Phillips head bit, as well as a small flathead screwdriver, one that's nice and thin, or a pick or some sort of device that you can wiggle into a small area and pry it out. Like I said, it's very easy to do, so let's go ahead and get into it and show you how to do this. To start with, we'll take a small flathead screwdriver or a similar device and we'll wiggle it in between the rubber piece on the bottom there and the wall of the cup holder, and we'll use it to try and pry out the rubber piece. Once we've managed to get the rubber piece out, we can then take a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head bit and remove these screws holding the cup holder to the sofa. Once the screws have been removed, we can gently pull out the old cup holder until the connector is exposed. Before we disconnect it, we'll want to pull the wire out a bit further so it doesn't fall back in the hole. Once the wire and the connector is out, we can simply disconnect it. And then to install a new cup holder, it's essentially the same process in reverse. We'll take the connector of the new cup holder and attach it. We'll feed the cables back in. Then we'll insert the cup holder and make sure it's in the right orientation. Then we'll take our screws and fasten the cup holder to the sofa, and then we'll just plop the bottom rubber piece right back in. And that's how you install or replace our 12 volt cup holders. Like I said, it's pretty simple and straightforward to do and doesn't take very long. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more of what we do in the future, including other tutorials, how-tos, installations, or product overviews, remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.